Are you looking for a way to change your Pokemon Go username on your iPhone or Android? Hey there, welcome back. In today's video, we will learn how to change the username on the Pokemon Go account. So, let's get started. To do that, open the Pokemon Go app, tap the Pokeball icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap the settings icon, that is the gear icon, at the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on Account. Here, you can see the pen icon for editing the username. Read the warning about the limited number of times you can change your nickname, and tap Yes to proceed. Enter your new desired nickname, and lastly, tap on Yes to confirm the change. So, this is how you can change your Pokemon Go username. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.